Hello everybody. Today we're going to be using this tiny Spider-Man rod for like 2-year-olds out at our ponds, cause hell yeah, brother. Why not?
Keep in mind this pond has 8 to 10 pounders.
Yeah, huge fish. And you know how these rods work. They catch either the smallest fish or the biggest fish. Never like in between. So, I mean, like, I'd be happy if I hooked one of the huge fish, but like, I don't think this line is gonna hold because we don't got the time to change it to the 12-pound line because it's like, what, 330? Something like that. So I just gotta put a worm on here. Let's go around here. I don't know. Yeah, right here. Okay. The bobber's in. It's super windy. I did not really check the weather. Can't tell if it's getting played with or it's just the wind. Jeez, it's windy out. Oh, I got one. It's a bass. I got a bass on it. Are you kidding me? Oh, hey, stop it. I'm here to help you. This bass on the Spider-Man rod. Are you kidding me? That's insane. Well, let's let him go. Yeet. That's crazy. Oh man, I lost the worm. Hold on. This is confusing the hold. Hold on one second. Oh, I got one. Got one. Huh? It's a bluegill. Bad, was it? Got this guy on the Spider-Man rod. Yeet. Perfect landing. Okay, let's put a worm on here. There's something so like satisfying about holding a rod like this. I don't know why. There we go, perfect. Oops, something was eating my worm while, was eating my worm while I was, he's taking it. Oh, I got a huge bluegill on. This is a huge bluegill. Yo, hold on, this is actually a huge bluegill. Whoa, no, this is a green sunfish. It's a sunfish. Hey, stop it. Stop it. You're not helping. You're not helping by freaking. Hey, it's not nice. Stop it. Stop it. Bro. Stop. Brother, stop it. Stop it. Bad fishy. Bad. I'm disappointed. I'm not mad. I'm just Stop slapping me. He's literally slapping me. Okay. Look at this guy. He's huge. Look at this huge. Is this a pumpkin seed? I think it's a pumpkin seed. Hey. Nuh-uh. Dad. Stop it. It's very mean. But yeah, this guy's huge. It's a huge, I think it's a pumpkin seed. You know what? Oh, there's a bee right there. Hi, bee. Sorry, that was a bad release. But I had to since there's a bee. Where's the bee? Shoot. Where's the bee go? What?
Blame it on the reel.
Yeah. Blame it on the rod. Always blame it on the rod. Yeah, come on.
Oh, there's netting there. Hold on.
Oh, God. Why is there netting?
It's when they originally planted grass.
Well.
Did I just break that line? I just broke the line. Hold that.
In summary, this thing's, it's not too bad. It's not too shabby, but definitely normal rods are way better. Yeah, its line is incredibly weak, but other than that, it's not too bad. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't recommend it for like normal fishing. I'd recommend getting your kid if you want to get your like 5-year-old into fishing. I'd get him like a, I don't know, like a Dock Demon, which are like tiny spinning rods. It's a good way to show them how to responsibly use line and how to use a commonly used fishing rod. Yeah. Like, subscribe, comment. I mean, comment really anything. I don't know. I give this thing like a 7.1 out of 10. Not too bad. Yeah, see ya.